Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is natural intelligence? In this lesson, we will talk about concept of natural intelligence. Now let's discuss about the core idea of what is natural intelligence. It refers to the cognitive abilities. When we say cognitive abilities, your power to understand something, your mind, your comprehension. So it refers to the cognitive abilities and mental capacities exhibited by biological organisms, particularly humans and animals. We have some more ideas about natural intelligence. Unlike artificial intelligence, AI, it is not a branch of computer science. In fact, it is a product of natural phenomena. It focuses on the inherent ability of living beings to learn, to understand something, to reason out something, to adapt, as we talked about, to new situations, and solve problems based on experience and environment. Natural intelligence is the counterpart to artificial intelligence, which is man made. So, natural intelligence is naturally evolved, while artificial intelligence is evolved by man. That is the fundamental difference between these two phrases. To put it simply, natural intelligence is when living organisms, particularly humans, rather than computers, are smart enough to think, learn, and act in ways that seem intelligent, natural, and spontaneous. That is basically the fundamental concept of natural intelligence. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.